Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on generative AI to help you get better results. This is a great way to think about it. So let's pop the hood on AI. So what even is AI? Let's zoom out and start with the big picture. Think of AI as the giant umbrella term. It's when a machine's output feels, well, human. A level deeper is machine learning. Here, we're basically teaching the AI using labeled examples. And even deeper, that's deep learning. Now the AI is finding patterns all on its own. Right at the very heart of it all are LLMs. This is the actual engine you're talking to. Okay, so what really happens when you type a prompt and hit enter? Let's get into it. It's a quick 4-step process. Your request gets broken down, understood, and then the AI predicts an answer. First, your sentence is chopped into word-sized tokens. Think of them like Legos for language. Then it maps out how words relate, so concepts like king and queen are numerically close neighbors. Next, attention kicks in. It focuses on the key parts, like explain this to a 5-year-old. Okay, you get the engine now, so let's check out the driver's manual for getting amazing results. This little formula is a game changer. You give it context, a task, instructions, and maybe some data. Using this helps the AI really get what you need, and trust me, you get much better answers back. All right, you know how to drive, but which car or AI model are you going to pick? I mean, there are over 500 models out there. The choice can be kind of overwhelming, right? But don't worry, all you need is a simple 2-step strategy to find the right tool for you. First, see what the pros in your world are using. And second, test them out to see what you like. See what's popular in your field. The best model for a lawyer isn't always the best for a marketer. Then just test drive them, run the same prompts on a few models, and see which voice you click with. So there you have it, the engine, the manual, and the showroom, a whole framework for mastering AI. The technology is in your hands, so the only real question left is, what are you going to build with it?
If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and share with your near and dear people P10. Let's grow smarter together.